TMG Yachts are very excited to be premiering down in the Southern Hemisphere for the first time the brand new model, the Lagoon 43. This model replaces the ever successful Lagoon 42, which built over 1,000 boats sailing worldwide. So this vessel has got big shoes to fill, and so far feedback from current owners and those looking to purchase has been phenomenal with this new design. Master cabin has been flipped around with the berth now forwards, leaving even more room for the livable area, the bathroom, the vanity units and the toilet area at the back of the vessel. The open plan living area has been completely redesigned to be perfectly versatile for whatever you have in mind, and the cockpit and access to and from the dock has been completely redesigned with side access gates both on port and starboard of the vessel. None of the sailing performance has been compromised with these new designs. We've given more volume inside the vessel with the same wetted surface and a very complementary sail area to displacement ratio.